Welcome to the first tutorial where I'll explain how to basically get started. Consider it as a Hello World program. First, you need obviously a username and password. You need to log on to the smartiotcloud.io. It'll take you to this login page where you provide your username and password. If you don't have one, please contact Smart System Engineering Lab. Now, once you provide this, you click on submit button and it will take you to this landing page here. Here you can create multiple applications. As you can see, there are 3 applications there already, and you can click on create button to create your own application as well, as you see on the top right hand corner, which I'm clicking right now. Here we go. Sorry. Here we go. So here I can provide the application name as SSEL intro. It's a first introduction app, so I can just name it anything I want. And then the default instance name could be SSEL underscore instance, intro and instance. Please note that these instances are basically containers. What it means is that is a backend container. So when I create this application will be put inside a container, so isolated from other applications. So if you don't know much about containers, I suggest that you read about it on internet or just watch some videos. So here we click on the application. Now the new application is created. So this, if you see, there are multiple applications running, and if you at a time can run only 2 applications. So let's check how many applications are running right now. This application is off. On the right left hand side you can see this one is off. This one is off. So because you can run maximum 2 applications at a time, and you can run an application by clicking on this small button, which I'm clicking right now. Here we go. Yeah, it's on now. So you just make sure only 2 applications are on at all times. So you cannot have more than 2 applications on, otherwise it will give you error message. So in this case you can do. So this is MQTT URL, which I'll explain later in another video in more detail. So right now let's click on editor. This is editor. Open editor, click on it, and it'll take us here on our editor, which is our Theta. That's where we do everything. It's like MATLAB, drag and drop and just deploy, and your dashboard as a service is up and running. So just let me basically introduce you. There are so many things in this editor, obviously, which will be explained in later videos as well. But on the left hand side you see a lot of nodes. These are dashboard nodes. These are other nodes as well, network nodes, common nodes. So you can just drag these and drop it on this on the right hand side on the flow. That's the one here. So let's say I do it inject node, I put a debug node there, and then I can put anything. I can actually do anything I want, drag and drop and connect different nodes. I double click it, I see these different on the left hand side, different functionality and properties. These are the flows. So think of flow as a one interconnected let's say nodes. For example, if you're making a smart home application and you have a bedroom system there, you have a washroom, you have a kitchen. So what you can do is you can put the bedroom in one flow, living room in another flow, bedroom 2 in a third flow. So all your sensors in a bedroom 1 are in flow 1, all your sensors in bedroom 2 are in flow 2. So this way you won't get confused. If you want to change any sensor or change any design, you can label them as you want to use them. So you can drag and drop these things into any flow, and then when it's deployed, you know where to go and which flow that node is there. So similarly here you have so much there. Obviously this is a Hello World program. I won't be going through in detail. I provided you a PPT with all this. So let's do this. Just quick one, dashboard. Now obviously these things I will explain later, but I'm just showing you a Hello World program, how actually you can show a gauge on the dashboard. Deploy it and go back to the dashboard. This button here, view dashboard, click on it, and it'll take you to this dashboard mode here. And here you saw the gauge, right? So this gauge which I just drag and drop here is simply shown on the website just like that. Obviously there's nothing connected to it yet, which I'll explain you in next video how to connect two nodes. But here, most important thing to understand is that you can make amazing dashboard like this by just dragging and dropping. Thank you.